How to use booking.com as the host. So go to the booking.com website and sign up as a partner/host. You will need to provide some basic information about yourself and your property. After creating an account, you can start listing your property on booking.com. You can specify the availability of your property using bookings.com's calendar features. Once your property is listed, you will receive bookings requests from guests. Ensure your property is clean, well maintained, and ready for guests before their arrival. Then provide necessary amenities and information to enhance their stay. Greet your guests upon arrival. Provide them with any necessary instruction or information, and be available to assist them during their stay. Booking.com handles the payment process for you. You will receive payers for complete booking according to their payment schedule. Encourage guests to leave reviews after their stay. Positive reviews can help attract more guests to your property. That's it. Thanks for watching.